Woohoo, guys, in this video I'm going to be doing just a simple product review of this vanity mirror with 9 LED bulbs. It has like a tabletop plug in the back, but it's really just a makeup mirror or a vanity mirror, and it has this little 10x magnifying mirror, and it has a 360 rotation. But honestly, I got this for my wife because our counter was just a little too small for her to do like her makeup and her eyebrows and whatnot, and she has freaking loved it. And basically I'm the hero now at our house because I got such a great gift. And so I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. If you have a small countertop in your bathroom, I think this is going to be great. As you can tell, I'm stoked about it. But there's a couple of buttons. So you have this mode button on the left, and it goes through 3 different modes. So it has like cool white, like warm white, and then warm yellow. And just by simply touching on the M, it'll change it. And then if you press and hold, the light will begin to actually dim. So the dimmer is on the right, and the different color modes, lighting modes, are on the left. And then the middle button is just the power. So the dimensions are 12 inches by 10 inches, and this is really just an ideal size for you to get your entire face in the mirror all at once. It's perfect for those who don't have like enough room on their countertops, kind of like we do, and a budget for like a large makeup mirror. One of the things that I actually love about this, though, is this like little 10x magnifying mirror. So it's really, really great for like, you know, plucking eyebrows or doing your mascara, doing like really close-up detailed makeup. But what's great is it's hard to like get the different, but you can see, look how magnifying that is. Okay, and there's my hair, and there's my head, my forehead. Anyways, it's really powerful, and it really works. So this has just been a great thing for my wife to kind of like get ready and do so just like in this small little confined space. And then it has this aluminum frame and a 360-degree free rotation, which can fix really at like any angle. So you can see here, I have it plugged in, so it doesn't really work to go 360s, but basically you can tilt it and angle it however you see fit, and it'll just hold it firmly in place. So with the 10x magnifying mirror, the 3 different color modes, the dimmer, the power on and off, as well as like the 360-degree tilt or rotation, my wife has found this immensely beneficial for this tiny little space of ours. So if you have a small little bathroom countertop, you're looking for something that's like built really well and sturdy, it has these different options, allows you to get, you know, to do your makeup really close up with the magnifying mirror and do so in 3 different kinds of lights. I think this is something you should look into. My wife loves it. I actually like it too. I don't use it as much as she does, but I do like it. It's actually kind of like my worst enemy, because at night I kind of start going like, you know, picking acne and stuff, and that's not good. But anyways, it's very simple to use, no installation really necessary, and I found it to be, and my wife has found it to be immensely beneficial. So anyways, that's my product review of this little 9 LED bulb light mirror, and I hope you found it helpful.